Hi guys, hope you are doing great. So in today's video, we are going to test Just Herb Skin Tint. So I have been receiving a lot of requests from a lot of you guys asking me to do swatches and review of the skin tints by Just Herb. So Just Herb Skin Tint is an Ayurvedic BB cream, which means it's going to cover your imperfections to a great extent and will even out your skin. And it also has a lot of Ayurvedic ingredients, skin loving ingredients that will nurture and nourish your skin while protecting it from sun rays, sun damage. So it also offers broad spectrum sun protection, UV protection, but it's not mentioned anywhere on the box that what is the score or the rating. I don't know what you call it, but you know, SPF 30, SPF 40, what amount of SPF this provides. I will check with the brand and let you know on the screen. This is the tint. This is the outer box of the tint. I am shade Sand, and the best part about this particular product is that it is available in 12 shades, which means they have covered almost all the skin tones across the board for us Indian girls, which is amazing. So they have sent me all 12 shades, and the best part is they sent me the sample. So this is the size of the sample that I received, and I'm very happy they did not send me full size bottles of all the shades, otherwise it would have been such a waste. With this sample I can actually try the product, check out which color suits me the most, and then ask for the full size bottle, which is what I did. So I asked for the full size bottle of shade number 4 Sand, which is my color, and the Sand is 4th number, and I think it's the numbering or the shades start from 0, so it is the 5th shade in the range. And I'm really happy that there are 7 more shades to go, and I call myself somewhere close to medium deep. So you can see that there are a lot of deeper shades in the range. I'll just quickly let you guys know what are the key ingredients in this tint. So it has Brahmi, it has Javitri, it has Manjistha, and it also has Indian Lotus. And Indian Lotus is known for its antioxidant properties. It is rich in antioxidants, and Javitri is really good to shrink your pores. It is really helpful for those who struggle with enlarged pores across the face. I mean, not across the face, around the nose. Manjistha has antibacterial properties, and Brahmi has skin renewal properties. This is a skincare and makeup hybrid. They have put best of both worlds in this one bottle. So the bottle, as you can see, is a glass bottle. It comes with this nice pump, and this has a lid on. Very user friendly. So now what I think, I am going to try it out. I have already used the tint once, but today I'm going to do a wear test. So we are going to see how long does it last on the skin, how much coverage does it provide. I just have a lip balm on. So I moisturize my face in the morning sometime around 11 o'clock, and it's 3 p.m. now. So I think we still have around 7 hours to check and test. So I'm also going to give you a heads up, guys. This is not a foundation, so this is not going to cover everything for you, but this is a very nice BB cream. It has a very light texture. It is not greasy at all, and it blends into the skin really well. So this is these are the first impressions I'm giving you, but we are going to do a full-fledged review, application, demo, everything in today's video. So I would love to share the swatches of all the 12 shades first, and then we'll move on to the demo of this shade. I'm going to swatch each shade on my face here, and then I'll show you arm swatches as well. So let's just do the swatches. I hope you saw the swatches and found them helpful. So let's now move on to the application part. So I'm taking around 3 pumps. I would like to see how buildable it is and how much it covers. And for application, I think I'm going to use my fingers today. I don't really want to use a sponge, or let's use a brush, or let's use fingers on one side and brush on the other side. So this side I'm going to blend with finger. So this side I blended with my fingers, and this side is with a foundation brush, this one. And I think the finger side gave me more coverage than the brush one. And as you can see, the coverage is very natural. It's not like medium coverage or high coverage at all. It is a BB cream. It is a skin tint that's going to give your skin a nice tint. It will even out your skin tone a bit. If you are someone who goes to office or who goes to work or who goes to college and you want a very nice lightweight everyday product that has skincare benefits as well, then this one is a really good option. Not exactly a matte finish. It is still feeling a bit sticky, so I think it's going to take time to set. It's pretty cold here in Delhi, so I'm not going to set it with powder. My skin is dry. I just want to retain whatever dewiness my skin has right now with the help of this tint. So I'll quickly finish rest of my makeup and come back to you, and then we will go for wear test. I mean, we are not going anywhere, but then I will do a wear test. I will do check-ins. You will see me checking in after 3 hours or so, and we'll share how the skin tint has lasted on my skin. Also, this has a very nice fragrance. I think it smells of sandalwood. It's very fresh, and it's not overpowering at all. It is very fresh, and it is very mild but very nice. So yeah, let's get on with the rest of the makeup. So it's 4:11 now, and I will check back in I think 3 hours, like around 7 o'clock. So this is how my makeup looks now. It's been almost half an hour since I applied the tint, and I think my face is looking pretty glowy, and I have not applied any powder on the top of it. And yeah, there are no dry patches at all. It doesn't feel drying or anything. I just have a blush, a little bit of cream highlighter and bronzer, of course eye makeup, eyebrows and lipstick. So yeah, I have full face of makeup, but I don't have foundation. I just had the tint on. So yeah. So I'm checking in after 2 hours. So I applied my tint around 3 o'clock, and this is how it looks after 2 hours. Not 3 o'clock, 3:30. And right now it's 5:26. As you can see. And I think it is still looking very nice. I have just changed the lipstick. Of course, I have changed my sweater and everything because I was shooting another video. But my face is looking very nice. The tint has not oxidized on me, and it is looking very nice. And my skin is feeling really moisturized. So the blush that I applied is still on. You can see the highlighter is also on. So it means this tint is still there. Yeah, so I'll check back after 2 to 3 hours again. So it's 8:30 right now, and this is how my makeup looks. You can still see blush on my face. I'm shooting from my new phone, so my skin looks a bit too smooth. But I'm very tired. I just filmed few more videos and then I edited one. So you can see the makeup is still there. The blush is still there, which means the tint is still there on my skin. And it's been 5 hours, and I think it's a pretty good staying power for a tint that doesn't really claim to stay on for a long time and give you beautiful finish. It is just a tint which will give your skin a natural skin-like finish, and it has added advantage of skincare ingredients. So I think this is a really good product. If you are looking for a makeup product that can give you some coverage, but it doesn't look cakey, it doesn't make your skin, suffocate, and you really want something that has added skincare benefits as well, then do not forget to check out Just Herb Skin Tint. I really like this one, and the shade is a nice match. The shade next to it is a bit too dark. So I think this is a good match, or I'll mix 5 and 4 both next time, because I think 4 looked a bit ashy around my mouth area. So yeah, that was about it. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video with check-ins. And I'm going to link the product in the description box below. Right now they are running some amazing offers. I'm also going to mention my code, and if you use the code, you are going to get some off. So yeah, that was about it. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you did, do not forget to give it a big thumbs up. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you very soon in my next video. Till then, take care and bye.